How to save video from CapCut to gallery. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily save your edited videos from CapCut directly to your phone's gallery. If you've finished editing and want to keep your video, follow the simple steps. So let's get started. First things first, open the CapCut app on your phone. Once the app loads, tap on the new project if you haven't started one yet. Now, after your project is open, simply look in the top right corner. Simply you can find an option that says 1080p and export. Simply tap on the export buttons, and here you can see before exporting you can simply find resolutions of the video. You can choose to have the video in 2K, 4K, the frame rate which is 60, 50, 30 or 25. You can choose whichever you prefer. After you've chosen your desired limit, simply tap on export. Once you've done that, your video will be start exporting into your gallery. And that's it, you've successfully saved your CapCut video to your gallery.